Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own caramel frappe at home. First, gather your ingredients like strong coffee, milk, and plenty of ice. Next, we'll blend everything together with delicious caramel sauce until it's perfectly smooth. Finally, we'll top it off with whipped cream and an extra drizzle of caramel for that perfect finish. It's a simple process for a delightful treat. To begin, ensure you have 1 cup of strong, chilled coffee. You'll also need 1/2 cup of your preferred milk and about 2 cups of ice for that frosty texture. Don't forget 4 tablespoons of your favorite caramel sauce for the main blend. For the perfect finish, have some whipped cream and extra caramel sauce on hand. Now, let's create the base. Pour your chilled coffee, milk, and 2 cups of ice into a sturdy blender. Add 4 tablespoons of the caramel sauce directly into the blender with the other ingredients. Secure the lid and blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and has a frosty, uniform consistency. You can add a little more ice if you prefer a thicker frappe. Once your frappe is perfectly blended, carefully pour it into a tall glass. Now for the best part, generously top your creation with a swirl of whipped cream. To complete this delicious treat, drizzle extra caramel sauce over the whipped cream. Serve your homemade caramel frappe immediately to enjoy its refreshing and sweet flavors at their peak. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.